Welcome to Unseen Aircrafts, a thrilling realm where unseen aviation occurrences are explained to and how they happen. In today's video, we will explain a collection of exclusive events, showcasing the unseen wonders that defy the boundaries of the sky. The pilot of the small airplane faced difficulties while attempting to land due to the presence of powerful winds that were forcefully pushing the aircraft in the opposite direction. While strong winds pose a general threat to all aircraft, they are particularly hazardous for smaller planes because their engines lack the necessary power to counteract the force of the wind. Unfortunately, in this situation, although the pilot was able to successfully land the plane, the outcome did not end so well. This Airbus CC-150 Polaris plane from Royal Air Force of Canada was landing at Riga Airport in Latvia. However, its appearance gave the illusion that it was actually landing in Antarctica due to the frozen airport. The pilot of the Su-22 aircraft activated the plane's parachute before landing. This particular maneuver is considered highly hazardous, but it is employed in situations where the available landing distance is too short. It is because of such maneuvers that make up the factors contributing to the F-22 Raptor being recognized as the most advanced fighter jet globally. This 7472-00 took an unusually long time to deploy its front landing gear, a maneuver commonly employed when encountering strong winds on the runway,